Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to learn about array. Okay, so this is our new topic, and I wrote here the few points about the array. The first one is it has fixed length. Array has a fixed length. Fixed length means that you can't change your memory size. Okay, so by fixed length I mean that you can't change the length of the array in runtime. Okay, if you code if you fix the array of 10 numbers, that user can enter only 10 numbers, so user can only enter the 10 numbers. It has no it can't be the array can't allow the user to enter the 11th number. Okay, so it means that it has fixed length, and this can be very useful for a short program, and for a short something for short program, or for a I can say that it can be used in the management system, but because for the management system you have the more registration, you need more space and runtime also. So for this we have a concept of linked list, which I will be make tutorial in this topic after few weeks. So now we are going to focus on the array. Okay, so you can understand more about this point when I code it. Okay, the second one is that it is a sequential data structure. It means that it has some indexes, and index start from 0. Okay, 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. If you want the number of 4, then you can first visit this 0 indexed value, then first, then second, then third, and then fourth. Okay, so it means that it can work in a sequence form. So this can be that's why it is called the sequential data structure. And by this it is a static it is not dynamic. By dynamic I mean that you can't create a new array, or you can say that you can't create a new space dynamically. Okay, by dynamically you can also say that by the runtime, when your program is in the running condition, you can't create a new space. So that's why it is also called the fixed length, and this static. And the fourth point is that it only store the same data type. Okay, for the same data type I mean that the syntax of the array is integer. You are going to store the number in the integer, so this is the integer. Okay, so you can also, if you want a numbers, if you want to output in the numbers form, so you can use integer. Okay, and then this is called the square brackets, and this is used in the array. This shows basically the array this is the main you can say part of the yours array syntax. Then you can give it a name. Okay, I am giving the name array, or you can also say it ABC, or you can give it any name. Okay, like I'm going to here give an array. Okay, then new is a keyword which allocate the space in a memory. So by the new, okay, and now then you are entered the integer, and you are going to here give it a space. Okay, the length, not space, you can say it also space, but the length is a good word for the array. Okay, then and this close. So by this word, the same data type, by this I mean that if you are going to write here integer, so in this you can also write the integer, not the string or any data type. Okay, so it means that it can only store the same data type. All right, hope you have clear some from this point. If you are not understand, then you can understand very clearly in this code. Okay, now I'm going to here you code on the array, and I'm going to print okay. So here I am doing the print and read element using array. First I will read it, read the elements. Okay, by reading element I mean that I get the input from the user, and then print that numbers which user inputted. Okay, so firstly we are going to declare the array. Okay, here is I need the output in the numbers form, so I'm using the integer, and this is the I'm giving it any name like array1. Okay, you can give it any name, any suitable name. Okay, then new, as I told that new is a keyword which is used to allocate the space, and here it allocate 5 space in the memory. Okay, you can change the length, okay, as you want, but I'm going to input from the I'm going to print the 5 numbers. Okay, so you can, it depends on you how much the space you want, how much output, how much long output you want. So now I'm going to here write that read, print and read element. Okay, this is the something like you can make the program efficient or like this. Okay, this \n is called the break. Okay, it break the line. Okay, so how much you break the line? If you want to break one line, then \n, this will break the one line. If you want two line to break, so you can write it 2 times. Okay, all right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take input from user. Okay, so here I'm writing that input number, input 5 numbers, because I reserve the my array length is 5. Okay, now I'm using the loop. Okay, so loop is because of that loop I'm using a loop because we are going to do the same thing 5 times. So what is if you have a clear concept about the loop, so loop is that doing the same thing one or more time. Okay, I again doing the same thing again. So I'm doing here same thing 5 times. Okay, so for this I'm going to use the loop here, and for loop the syntax is okay. So here I'm declaring a variable I for loop, and here for I is equals to 0, I is less than what, array1 dot length. this is what के हमें जो है we are going to run our loop in what times, the array length time. Okay, so here I'm going to take input from the loop array I. Okay, and the same concept of the taking input from the user. Alright, so this is the input. This here we get the input from the user. Okay, you can also read right here that number right. By this I mean that number 0, the loop will run 0 times. So this will say that number 0 is I, means k I जो है आपका मतलब one number is entered, then it will go to up, and then it get it heads the increment in the I, means one number is this, okay, the number which the user is entered. Now here we get the number, okay, or read the number from user. Now we are going to print it, okay. So for print you are also you have to use the loop again, and loop is will be run in the array dot length time, okay, array 1 dot length time. Here I is equals to 0. You can also start from the 1, okay. I am using from 0, okay, array 1 dot length, okay, and increment. Right, now we are going to print our numbers which we get from the user. And how we can print it? We print like this, that number in our alright. So now what we do, we here end of the program. Okay, so hope each and everything is going to right. So let's take input, let's run it. Okay, now okay, print and read element are the main okay. Here you can say that I am breaking the two lines, okay. So this is the first line, this is the second line. Two line is break, then this will print and read element. Now we are going to input the input 0, okay. So 1, okay, and number 1 is 2, number 2 is 3, number 4 is 4, and number 5 is 5. Okay, number जो input are 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and it runs in the 5 time, because I reserve the space, my array space is 5, so it runs 5 times, okay, not more than 5 times, okay. If you want this a 6 number, then you have to change the array length, and then you can print it, okay. So this is the, I think this is not the right format of your array, so you're printing. So what we are going to do here is number input you input are okay, means you are understanding the input of the array, okay, like what we are going to do here. So this is the thing which I want to tell you, okay. So this is the concept of array, that how much your space is served, the only that numbers of the input will be print on the screen and will be get from the user. So this is the array of this is the use of the array. And okay, okay, so here if I am going to tell you that if you input more than the 5, so what will be the array sorry, what will be the error? Okay, I am committing this one, I am not printing the numbers which I get from the user. And then now here what will done, if I am giving the numbers greater than the length of the array, like 1 2 3 4 5. So okay, so it means that I have a 5 length. I'm not allowed to print the 6 number. So if I'm trying to print the 6 number, then what will happen? Okay, so what will happen here? It should print the okay, here I am going to it should be the error was mostly like this, that index was outside of the bound. Okay, so this okay, here index was outside the bound of the array. It means that you are not supposed to enter the you are not allowed to enter the input greater than the length of 5, because the index was out of the bound. Here the index is initialized 0 from 4, and if you are allowed, if you want to enter the 6 numbers, you have to change this array. Okay, and now if this array will not come if I change the array the length of the array here. Like I'm going to, if I'm changing the length 6, so it means that 6 number will be allowed to enter. You can see here 2 3 4 and 5. Before the length of this, our length is 5, so it will and I am entering, I was trying to enter the 6th number, and give me the error. So now I changed the length, so now it will accept the number. Okay, and I'm trying to enter the 7th number, then it will give me error. Okay, I'm entering the 7th number. Okay, so it will give me the error. And if I want to enter my 7th number, then I will change this the length of the array. So this is all about the array. This is about the length of the array. Okay, so this is what the concept of the array. I hope you understand something from this video, and in the next video I will surely upload I will surely give you the some other examples of the array, some other programs I will give you, but for this time the video, the concept is done here. And if you understand from this video, then please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon so that you will get my more videos firstly. Thank you.